macOS apps that every beginner needs to use right now. Let's go.
Number 1. App Cleaner. Unlike Windows, macOS doesn't have a control panel for uninstalling apps, and that's why we have App Cleaner, which can do a complete uninstall of any app. Just head over to Applications and drag and drop the app you want to uninstall onto the App Cleaner's interface. And with just one click, it's completely gone, leaving behind no pesky residual files. Number 2. Al Dente. Al Dente saves and extends the battery life of your MacBook by restricting the charge limit.
It's a small, simple app that ensures that your battery stays healthy for a very long time.
Number 3. Radio Silence.
These days, many apps connect to the internet, some even without your knowledge. But with Radio Silence, you can restrict their access to the internet.
Just select the apps that you want to restrict and you can block them from accessing the internet with just one click. Number 4. Keyboard Clean Tool. Cleaning your keyboard can be tricky, but Keyboard Clean Tool makes it simple. It disables your keyboard so that you can clean it without typing gibberish or sending awkward emails to your colleagues. Number 5. Proton VPN.
If you're using public Wi-Fi or unsecured networks, then Proton VPN has you covered. It encrypts all your connections, keeping you safe online.
Plus, you can browse country-specific data with ease. Number 6. TickTick. TickTick helps you organize your to-do lists and set habits so you can stay productive all the time. Number 7. Blackmagic Disk Speed Test.
If you're curious about the read and write speed of your SSD or any other drive,
Blackmagic Disk Speed Test can get that for you in just one click. Just select the drive you want to test and it'll show you the read and write speeds in just a few seconds. Number 8. OBS. Even though Mac OS has an inbuilt screen recording feature, OBS takes it to a next level. It offers you more control over screen recording, supports multiple audio sources, and even allows live streaming, all for free. A perfect app for content creators and streamers. So there you go. Try out all these apps and let me know which one is your favorite. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.